In my Big Ideas book, this is my homepage, which is going to look a little bit different than your page, but you will have the ebook option. The ebook is just like your textbook, only it's on your computer screen. Just to point out a few things for you, in this ebook, it will read the book to you. So if I click on any of the text once this loads up, it's going to read for me the line of text from the book. So you can use headphones, you can use the speakers on your Chromebook, whatever you'd like to do. And maybe it takes a while to load for you, just like it does for me. My page looks kind of small, but you have options to make it bigger. We also have options, for example, there's a little blue icon here, which I'm not sure you can see it super clearly, right there. Maybe you can see it. That is for a video link. So anytime you see that, you can click on it, it takes you to a video, and you can watch that video that relates to the content. Again, all of this, if I click on that, it's going to highlight the text and it will read it to me. I think I've got my speakers turned down right now, so you may not be able to hear it on this video. So we can use the book just like we would turning the pages, click, 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 turn the pages. We also can use more of our dynamic classroom. Yours is going to be in the upper right corner of your, or upper left corner of your screen, I'm sorry, and it'll just say continue or start or whatever it may be. Your menu in the upper left corner is going to be really key for you, because that'll show you all of your chapters. So I guess keep clicking back. When I go to chapter 8, for example, I can click on chapter 8.1 on integers, and I see the warm-up, the exploration, the key ideas, the examples, the try-its, everything is there for me. So all I need to do is just click on those things, and if I click on, let's say, the key idea, I could also click over here, let's see if we can see it, and this allows me just to click to the next page. So there's a couple ways to kind of navigate the site. Here, whenever I have this little button that looks like this, I can just press that and it plays the video for me, in this case showing me example number 1. It's really, really important that you're actually paying attention and watching and reading the lessons. Some people will want to skip right into the assignment, go right into Big Ideas, click on your assignment and try to take the assignment. Pay attention to what you're doing first so you know what to do on the assignment. A lot of this stuff is review. Some of it, though, is brand new material. So again, really, really important to be reading. With all that being said, in the Google Classroom, you will also be able to communicate with me and with other students. So I've put in here, and I don't know if this is going to show up in our video, but I put in here a different section for every section of our book. For example, here's chapter 8.1 on integers. If you have a question in chapter 8.1, or maybe you just found something amazing in chapter 8.1, you want to share it with everybody, you can type it in here. Now caution, because I'm not going to accept comments that are just ridiculous or out of the blue air. We don't need those comments in there. You'd be muted and you wouldn't be able to comment at all. So comment, controlled. I'm also going to be putting videos in here. They're not here yet because that's what I'm doing right now, making some of those videos. So I hope that helps you, and I hope that kind of guides you as you're working independently here for the next couple of weeks. So if you have any questions, another way to contact me is always at email. So it's adam.regener@perrylocal.org. Feel free to email me anytime, and again, I will try to check my emails frequently throughout the day, but if I don't get back to you immediately, don't panic. I will get back to you as soon as I can.